Crash course on Hungary, art, museums, music, and performing art. Hungary, a land steeped in rich cultural heritage and artistic expression, offers a diverse array of art, museums, music, and performing arts that captivate and inspire visitors. Let's embark on a journey to explore the fascinating world of Hungarian art and creativity. Art history and museums. Hungary boasts a storied art history, with influences from various cultures that have shaped its artistic landscape. To delve into this world, visit renowned museums like the Hungarian National Museum, showcasing historical artifacts, artworks, and archaeological finds that narrate the nation's past. The Museum of Fine Arts houses an extensive collection of European art, including works by famous painters such as Leonardo da Vinci and Raphael. For contemporary art enthusiasts, the Ludwig Museum of Contemporary Art presents an inspiring selection of modern creations. Music and performing arts. Hungary's love for music and performing arts is evident in its vibrant scene. Budapest, the capital city, resonates with the melodies of classical music, and you can experience the soul-stirring performances at the Hungarian State Opera House, an architectural marvel itself. The Liszt Academy of Music is dedicated to nurturing young musical talent and frequently hosts concerts and recitals. Additionally, traditional Hungarian folk music, with its mesmerizing melodies and lively dances, continues to be celebrated at festivals and local events throughout the country. Exciting stories and examples. One captivating example is the Hungarian State Folk Ensemble, which has been preserving and showcasing authentic Hungarian folk dances for decades. Their performances, adorned in colorful costumes, reflect the country's deep-rooted traditions and are a delight to witness. Top 12 attractions of art, museums, music, and performing art in Hungary. 1. Hungarian National Museum showcasing historical artifacts and artworks. 2. Museum of Fine Arts, a treasure trove of European art spanning centuries. 3. Ludwig Museum of Contemporary Art celebrating modern artistic expressions. 4. Hungarian State Opera House, an opulent venue for breathtaking opera performances. 5. Liszt Academy of Music, a hub of classical music education and concerts. 6. Hungarian State Folk Ensemble mesmerizing folk dance performances. 7. Matthias Church, a stunning Gothic church with intricate designs. 8. Buda Castle, a historical fortress offering breathtaking views of Budapest. 9. Hungarian National Gallery, a collection of Hungarian fine arts from the Middle Ages to the present. 10. Vigadó Concert Hall hosting a variety of musical performances and events. 11. Great Synagogue, a significant historical and architectural landmark. 12. MUPA Budapest, a modern cultural center hosting concerts, theater, and dance performances. Summarizing our exploration, Hungary's artistic scene is a captivating blend of history, innovation, and cultural preservation. From the vast collections in museums to the enchanting melodies of its music and the mesmerizing performances, Hungary celebrates its artistic heritage with passion and pride. Crash course on Hungary's arts, culture, and creativity. Where museums and galleries share history with sensitivity. From classical melodies to folk dances, glee. Hungary's heart beats with artistic unity. The Hungarian National Museum's treasure trove chronicles the past that we all love, while the Museum of Fine Arts proudly displays European masterpieces in inspiring arrays. Ludwig Museum speaks of the contemporary, with bold creations and visions legendary. The Hungarian State Opera House, a sight to behold, where melodies soar and stories unfold. Liszt Academy of Music nurtures young dreams. A symphony of talent, it brilliantly gleams. The Hungarian State Folk Ensemble's grace echoes traditions in a vibrant embrace. Matthias Church stands with Gothic charm, a testimony to the nation's arm. And Buda Castle, a historical embrace, offers views of Budapest, a visual grace. Hungarian National Gallery, where art takes flight. A journey through ages, each stroke, a light. Vigadó Concert Hall, music's sweet kiss. In melodies, we find eternal bliss. Great Synagogue, a symbol of history's might. Embracing heritage with a soulful sight. MUPA Budapest's modern grandeur. A cultural center, where arts endure. Hungary's artistic allure, a symphony grand. We cherish its treasures, across the land. In every brushstroke and melody's art. The soul of Hungary finds its start. So, embrace the beauty and stories told. In Hungary's art, music, and culture of old. Through museums, concerts, and traditions flame. Let Hungary's artistic spirit rise and claim. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8 = 7989335. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.